Hello guys, hope you are doing well. Today we wish to share with you and discuss with you how to process Sindh police verification with the updated system. So the backend team of Sindh police has been updated the portal and new features are introduced. So how to we utilize them and how to process a new system. So let's start. Open PRVS, Police Record Verification System. So similarly previous सिस्टम के अंदर जब हम ट्रैक करते हैं वैसे ही हम इसमें भी ट्रैक करेंगे सेम एंड न्यू फीचर जो है इसके अंदर रिन्यू एंड एग्जिस्टिंग सर्टिफिकेट है। तो अभी जिस पैनल पर हम हैं अगर आप ट्रैक करना चाहते हैं कि आपकी आईडी कहाँ पर है तो आप उसको ट्रैक कर सकते हैं विद इंटर CNIC एंड योर केस आईडी। तो आप उसको सक्सेसफुली ट्रैक कर सकते हैं। जो नया फीचर है न्यू फीचर इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द टीम is renew an existing certificate. If you have applied previously and you wish to renew certificate, same certificate, so you can renew by click on renew an existing certificate and enter your tracking ID or SID and enter your CNIC. Continue to renewal form. Click on continue to renewal form and you will see the old data has been fetched successfully. Now you have to submit little bit more information regarding your current address. If your address is same, then continue, and if you change your address, then click on new address. If your address is same, then unchanged. If you change your address, then click on new address and enter your step from. If you selected above same address and you resident by birth, then put by birth and to present. To present show that you are living this address till now. Picture format accepted JPG and PNG and try to upload below 100 KB or 200 KB. So above KBs and MBs somehow not accepted, not uploaded on portal. It may error. Also previously complaint and feedback feature was enabled but not an efficient. This time is efficient. If you want to give feedback or if you have any complaint, you can contact with clicking on this button. When you click this button, you have to enter the CNIC and your ID and click on track. As you track, panel shows and fetched your data, your name and your father name. Now you can give your feedback and if any query or complaints you can submit and describe here. So again we back on main panel and we submit a new application and we wish to process completely and showing you how to process it. If you are a Pakistani citizen, click on Pakistani. If you are a foreigner, you wish to apply from another country, you select foreigner. And if you are Afghani, then click on Afghani. We select Pakistani and what purpose you wish to process: visa, immigration, employment, and gender. The resume verification is newly updated in Karachi or Hyderabad or mega cities. Required resident verification too. So we enter CNIC. And click on continue. We have seen first panel shows your complete information, second panel for opponents for your businesses, and third panel for your documentation. So if you have an email address, you can enter it and enter your full name as per your CNIC or matriculation certificate. Enter your husband name or father name. Enter your date of birth as placeholder shows. Placeholder means this field shows that date, enter first, then month, then year. Sometimes people don't understand and they enter month first somehow and they confuse in many aspects. So placeholder shows clearly that you enter first date and then month, then year. Mobile number is required. Enter and put your CNIC issue date. Sometimes people ask if our CNIC is lifetime expiry, then what date we enter? Then we suppose 10 years or 20 years ahead, enter that date. So select your current district and enter your current address. So if your current address is same, then it's okay. If you change previously many addresses, then enter here a current address. Previous addresses can be mentioned below. Here you put stay from according to your current address which you mentioned above. If your address is same by birth, then you can enter here by birth or date of birth, or select by clicking on calendar. If you still live on same address, then you can enter to date or to present or today's date. So if you have an additional addresses too, you can click on plus sign. If not, then process further. So if you have multiple addresses, then click the district and address and state from and state for. If not, then don't click and process further. If you wish to process for immigration or visa, then this option will be visible and you will click any required country. We process here for employment. Then Pakistan is also selected by system. If you have any FIR on your name or any case, you can click on yes and FIR number, year and police station. And also you can upload your judgment copy here and what is the status and what is the status of this case. Either your case is pending trial or you are acquitted from court or it is disposed of C class or B class or you are released by court and released under section 169. So you can also select according to your judgment. If not, then click on no or you say unchanged by default. Now this is the panel for documents or guarantors or we say witnesses. So witness 1 and witness 2 details are required. One of the notes mentioned here, you have to put 2 witnesses of same police jurisdiction as applicant belongs to. If you mention outside, it can cause delay in the police verification. Click on next step. So this panel requires your documentation. If you process for visa or immigration, the first document will be required for your passport. If you process for resident verification, general verification for employment, then you will require only 3 documents. First is your passport size photograph, JPG or PNG, and below 100 KB or 200 KB. We successfully upload photo. Now copy of utility bill. One of the documents you can attach here. If light or gas or water or PTCL bill are unable or you haven't, so you can still upload your domicile here. So one of the documents you can upload here. Preference is light and gas bill, and if not available, then you can upload domicile. So we attach the domicile here. Letter regarding police verification is simple. You can attach your job offer letter, you can attach your bank letter or simple application, and the format is PTA. Then click on submit. So application received successfully, and your tracking ID is this. So you can later on track by this ID and your CNIC. So this is the process of the new system. So hopefully guys you enjoyed it, and if any query you can ask freely. So inshallah take yourself and subscribe our channel, share our videos. Allah Hafiz.